Now today I am going to start from where I uh, left last time in loan calculator, how to uh, calculate your personal loan price. So without wasting our time, let's start from there. Ultimately, the part that you can find the money for depends on what you are relaxed with. Just because a bank pre-approves you for a loan doesn't suggest making sure to aerate your borrowing energy. A long term is the length of the time you ought to pay your mortgage mentioned an addition method. It's the same time it's the time span or over which a loan is amortized. Essentially the most standard loan phrases are years, although different terms also abide and may alike range as much as years. The size of your loan phrases that dictates partially how much you will pay every month. The best your time period, the lower your monthly payment. That observed past time prices are usually lower for year mortgages that for year phrases, and also you will pay extra interest over the life of a month loans to access with personal loan time period correct for you. Agree with how a great deal you can manage for to pay each month and how promptly your option to accept your loan paid off. That observed pastime prices are usually lower for year paid off, sorry. If you can have the funds to pay more each and every month, however, still don't understand which time period to select, it's additionally worth it because even if you are be able to react alike or perhaps store on the pastime by picking out a lower monthly price and advance the change, that you would be able to get a mortgage for virtually any time period, that is any time frame. But the two best ordinary are year and year intervals. With a with a year mortgage, you will pay less in activity, but your monthly charge can be a good deal greater. Addition the loan to years makes the monthly payment more cost efficient. However, you will be paying off your personal loan for tons longer and you will finish up paying a lot of more interest. You have got abounding options when it involves deciding on a personal loan lender. Banks, credit score unions, and online lenders all offer mortgages without delay, while mortgage brokers and online research tools assist you to evaluate alternatives from distinctive lenders. It's important to be certain you suppose at ease with the broker or business you are working with because you will deserve to take with them often right here through the application manner and in some circumstances after the personal loan classes. You can also wish to inaugurate with the banks or different institutions the place you already have many owned. In case you like their carrier additionally, ask your network of comes and finally unit and any true estate gurus you are working with for referrals. A mortgage is a secured loan that is collateralized through domestic its financing. This potential that the lender may have an affirmation in your domestic unless the loan is paid in full. Afterward closing, you will make monthly payments which covers essential activity taxes and assurance. In case you default on the mortgage, the financial institution could have the ability to foreclose on the aggregate. Moreover, there being assorted loan, there are several usual forms of mortgages. These consist of customary loans and colossal mortgages, which might be issued with the aid of innermost lenders. However, more stringent qualifications have because they exceed the highest mortgage amounts based on the aid of the Federal Apartment Accounts Administration FHFA. Potential home buyers can also enter mortgages insured by means of the federal government, including Federal Housing Administration FHA, US Department of Agronomics USDA, US Branch of Veterans Affairs VA, and OK loans. Minimum skills for these mortgages vary, but they are all supposed for low to mid profits patterns in addition to aboriginal time patterns. Mortgages are available through national banks and credit unions as well as a few online lenders. To observe for a personal loan, inaugurate by previewing your credit profile and improving your credit rating so that you will qualify for a reduced interest rate. Again, calculate how tons domestic you may afford together with how an awful lot of a bottom word payment you can make. Suggestions supplied in the Forbes guide are for tutorial functions handiest. Your fiscal condition is wonderful and the items and functions we review can also not be correct for your situation. We do not present economic tips, advisory or brokerage features, nor do we suggest or recommend individuals or to purchase or promote selected shares or securities efficiently. Assistance may additionally accept changes because of the time of the ebook. Previous platform is not apocalyptic of future consequences. Forbes guides adherence to strict beat integrity requirements to the best of our expertise. All content is correct as of the date postponed. Notwithstanding offers independent herein may additionally not be obtainable. The opinions expressed are the writers on my own and have not been supplied, accredited, or in any other case counseled by using our companions. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, share it and also comment below if you wanted to have other videos like this, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.